Hello and welcome back to Burdu channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to preview and review your website layout edits on a smartphone, live and in real time. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the Burdu channel to access hundreds of other tutorials. Hit the like button below and turn on the notification bell. Alright, let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your website admin page on your smartphone browser. From your Burdu website dashboard, go to Layout and choose the page layout you want to preview. In this example, we'll stay on the home page. Here's an example of the home page we'll use for the live preview. Now, click the QR code icon at the top. There are two ways to access the live layout preview on your phone. First, simply scan the QR code using your phone's camera. It'll take you directly to the live preview of the page. Second, you can manually open the link shown here. Just copy the URL from your computer and send it to your smartphone. If you haven't logged in on your phone yet, you'll be asked to do so. And if you log in after scanning the code, you may need to rescan it. Once you're logged in, you'll see the live preview of your website layout on your phone. Any layout changes made from the admin panel will instantly appear on the smartphone preview, even before you hit save. If you switch to another page in the layout editor, your phone preview will automatically follow. Likewise, if you tap to another page on your phone, the layout editor on your desktop will also jump to that page. Pretty cool, right? Like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the Burdu.id channel for more tutorials. Don't forget to follow Burdu's social media for more exciting content. See you soon!